In this video I'm going to show you how to set up a Gmail account. To get started, go to the Google homepage by typing in www.google.com. From the homepage, you will see a Gmail link in the black bar at the top. Click on this link, and now you can either sign in to your Gmail if you already have a Gmail address, or you can click on Create a New Account. So we're going to click on Create an Account. It's important that you use your real information when you create your account, because Google will remove any fictional accounts. In my case, I'm not too concerned if Google removes this account because I'm just using it for training. So I am going to create a fictional account, but I suggest you use your real name. When you select your email address and it's not available, Google will give you a warning, as in this example, and Google will also try to give you a few suggestions. If you're not happy with the suggestions, you can try to pick another email address. If your email address is available, you won't get any further warnings, but you will now need to create a password. Be sure that your password is at least 8 characters long, and try to use an alphanumeric password. This means using numbers as well as characters. For better security, you may also choose to use symbols. So I'm just going to create my password. And make sure that your passwords match, or you will get a warning. Fill in your birth date, your gender, and if you have a mobile phone, I suggest you use your real number, because this will help you if you ever forget your password. If you currently have an email address, you can always type in that email address here, and that too will help you with password recovery. However, if you don't have an email address, you can just skip this step. Next up, you have to go through Google's human test, and just to make sure that you are in fact a person creating an account. And Google and other sites do this just to prevent spammers. The codes can sometimes be a little bit tricky, so you might have to have a few goes at getting it right. Select your location and read the terms of service or privacy policy, and if you agree with this, you can click on I agree. Then click on the next step. On the next page you can add your profile photo, but you can do this later. So in this case I'm just going to click on next step. With this, my Google account is created and I can now continue to Gmail. Once you get into Gmail, Gmail will give you a little quick tour just to show you some of the features. So you can click on next. It tells you about creating a theme. I'm just going to click on next. Next, it shows you how you can search your emails. It then shows you that you can switch between different Google features like mail and contacts and tasks. I'm just going to continue clicking next. It shows you the little chat functionality. I'll click on next. And if you click on compose, this is how you start creating emails. We'll look at this in a little bit more detail in other videos. So I'm just going to click on finish. If you got this far, congratulations, you now have Gmail set up.